Okay, hi everyone. I'm Christian Vargas. This is a video I'm making for material design for virtual environments in UNAT University. My group is Group 4, and my tutor is Astrid Janira Lemos. So, in this opportunity, I'm gonna try to make a short video showing you how to use in a fast way Wix. A page where you can make your own websites in a simple way. So this is an example that I made one for the university like 1 or 2 years ago. Learn English with Christian. Yes, that's myself. I make this. I even insert Powtoon. I insert it inside the Wix. Short example. And I even did a YouTube video and inserted also using another application. Now
we're going to see a topic that is called WH question words. These are used to ask for specific information, obviously depending on the WH code. Now we've seen three already when we started our lesson, so we're going to start.
Okay, so this is a short one with not much information, but it's simple as that. And now we pass here. There's an icon with you can come create your own Wix page, and it asks you like what you want to focus in it. So let's do it like, for example, let's focus on maybe a restaurant. I don't know, like eating, because I'm going to teach maybe food or maybe places or things from the restaurant. So you can focus your blog and make your students maybe make a blog for or a Wix and focus it on food and things like that. So here we have like different themes which you could choose. So we're going for maybe like for kids, so let's do something like this, like a burger, and you just choose one, and you just like go in choose one. Yes, and well, it works by itself. It tries to put things together. That's why it's so simple. And you just like wait until they put the things where should be, like the part of the pictures or the part where you're gonna be put the paragraphs or something like that. And it's very helpful also because you can put it on. It has like the source where you can change it to a phone, um, to the phone spot, and it'd be useful, of course. So right now it's taking a little longer. Now look, it did it by itself. So I want to make a maybe speak about burger or things like that. And here it gives me some options. So it also, okay. So here we have, if I go down, I have a nice burger which I can live on or change the picture. It gives me some example of like to put the location, the address, phone, the location. Treat yourself. Okay, here we have more food, paragraph information, so you can make like your students write down things because it's very easy. You just click on it and double and just like start writing on it. Edit text, and you can like erase and put whatever you want to put um, inside. And also the pictures, if you want to use the pictures you can leave them, or you can just upload one of yourself over here, or put a link and relate it to your page too. Like I did, for example, I showed you that I put a YouTube video, so what I did is I relate the link with this page. And I can also change like the design if you want to. You can change it, or see, instead I put a bike because I don't know, just for an example. Okay, and it's loading. Okay, so you have different options, and here you could put also at right you have more options. I love this picture, looks very good, that hamburger. So it's practically very simple. Here you could like change the position, put it in the center, or line it to the left or whatever. Okay, and if you wanna, like, let's go up here, change the name, yes, and put maybe Mr. My name is Christian, so I'm gonna put Mr. Chris Burger, you know. Chris Burger, and that'll be like my restaurant. If you want to like play with the kids and or teenagers and make them like make your own food restaurant and put your own name and whatever, and you can change here like the type of the, you know, the letter and the color, the size. Is pretty much very simple. It doesn't have much effort, and if you want to see it, you just go here, previous look, and this is some, I changed the name, and there's a burger, nice, the location and everything. So you can go back and change it as many times as you can do it, and look how nice it goes. Okay, so hope you learn as simple as just giving 5 clicks and you have a very nice web page which you can use. Okay, excellent job, teachers. Bye bye, see you the next time.